Alright, so it is currently the same day that I've recorded the rest of these videos. The Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Dino Megazord has finally arrived. I've been waiting all day for this thing, and so I am recording an unboxing video for it. So we're gonna just drag it over here. And this is the legacy version of it. And so, really quick, we're gonna have a look at the back of the box. So, like the other Lightning Collection Megazord I have that I have not done a video on yet, but I will soon, this does come with little plastic rangers and a little cockpit in each Zord where you can look at the rangers. But you guys aren't here for the back and just the box of the Zord. You are here for the Megazord itself. So let's get right on into the Megazord. Need to open up the back of the box first. Ooh, that's a nice red on the back of it. It's like a shiny metallic red. So, yeah. Alright, let's open it. There's a QR code on it. I wonder what that is. Whoa. There's some cool art on the inside of the box. It's the Megazord versus Goldar. So that's cool. And then on the actual box, wow, look at that. I've seen so many videos other people have done on this Megazord, and I just thought they got lucky with buying an old version of it that came this nice and this detailed. No, they got the legacy version, and I did not know that until now, and it is amazing. Alright, so let's crack open the Tyrannosaurus first. Alright. That looks like it's the power sword. That's the instructions. So it looks like in here we have the actual Megazord. And wow, look at that. So detailed. It's awesome. Also, if you hear chewing in the background, that's just my dog. He's got his bone, antler, whatever, right now. But look at that. That is better than I could have hoped for. That's awesome. And then right here, if I can get it to open up. There we go. Look at that. That's where the Red Ranger is. That's really cool. Alright. Alright, so we've seen the Tyrannosaurus. Let's move on to the other Zords. I think here what we're gonna go with first is the Pterodon, Kimberly's Zord, because we did Jason's first. So we'll go Kimberly next. Then we'll go Zach, Billy, and finally Trini Kwan. Rest in peace to her actor. It's so sad that she died. Alright, so we have the Pterodon Zord. It actually looks pretty good. I don't know what this can move for. Maybe there's gonna be like a waist swivel or something. This looks like a really good detailed Zord. It's really cool. What is this piece? Are these the little cannons that go onto it? Maybe? All I can think of is that it's the cannons, or maybe the face of Zach's Zord. We'll see. Oh, that's neat. Okay. So it's the little hands for them. It has 2 hands for the Megazord. It's got the cannon bits, which I actually want to figure out where on the Zord they go. I think they just go like that. So I think that's the full pterodon Zord. I might be wrong. Or pterodactyl? Yeah, it's pterodactyl, I think. But right here we got each of the like rangers, and that's really cool. So Jason, Kimberly, Billy, Zach, and Trini. Or maybe it's the ones from the later season, which I didn't really watch. I only watched the first couple of it. But then again, this is also the first one. So let's move on to the Mastodon now, because that one I think will be pretty cool. Alright, look at that. That is awesome. So, it's really detailed. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to open the cockpit area on Kimberly's. Alright, so we open that up, it looks like. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. It's nice. Some nice detail. Then, oh, there's a piece of cardboard right there. Don't know what that cardboard was for. And on Zach's, it looks like just the top of the Mastodon? Or is it? Oh, there we go. There's Zach's. So, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do putting them into the Megazord mode in this video. I think I'll do it next time, but yeah. So next, let's move on to Triceratops. Alright, this one, pretty accurate. It looks like the jaw can open. Oh, it can. Actually, the T-Rex Zord might be able to do that too. And there we have Billy. He has a little gun thing that can either go how it first goes when he first summons the Zord. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, that's neat. So, there we go. In the show, he has it where it kind of like, each Zord has their own unique dino form, and like the Triceratops, the legs can like come out and they only go in when it's about to combine into the leg of the Megazord. And so they added that feature into this Zord 2, which I think is really cool and really neat, and I did not realize that until just now. So before we move on to Trini's, I actually want to check out the Tyrannosaurus one more time, because I think there is actually something I missed, and there is. See that the mouth can actually open. Does that exist on? Oh no, it does not exist on the pterodactyl because the pterodactyl doesn't have a mouth, and then the mammoth, or not mammoth, mastodon can't do that either. All right, last but certainly not least, saber-toothed tiger. Should be a pretty cool Zord, because, well, all of the original Zords were, especially the Dragon Zord, which I do hope to get one day, but is way too expensive for me to get right now, because it's around $400, $500, I think, on Amazon. The saber-toothed tiger has the same thing that the Triceratops and Tyrannosaurus do. Oops. Its mouth can open. And yeah, that's about it. The wheels on it cannot spin, but that doesn't really matter. I don't think many people would actually use it in like the tank mode, even though that mode is so cool and did not get shown in the show that much. Before we go on, we have the power sword, and dang, that looks good. Like, super shiny. If I can get it to focus. Yeah, look at that detailing. Like, it's really good. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap up the unboxing of the Power Rangers, or not Power Rangers, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Zords. So, hope to see you all come back when I eventually post the actual Zord combination video. But until then, or until my next video, goodbye.